हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम अपनी करंट जीके की वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं और आज हम जुलाई मंथ को कवर करेंगे। जो जुलाई मंथ का हमारा जीके है, तो अगर आप ये देखिए, मैंने लगभग आपको 6 मंथ का करंट जीके कवर किया है और 101% आपको जो भी करंट जीके से क्वेश्चन आएंगे वो इन सभी मैंने आपको जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, ये सारे मंथ मैंने कवर कर दिए। तो इसी में से मोस्टली आपको 6 महीने का जो जीके, करंट जीके, वो क्वेश्चंस आपको मिल जाएंगे, राइट। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। और इन वीडियोस को आप बार बार देखते रहें और शेयर करते रहें अपने फ्रेंड के साथ। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट सेक्शन हमारा पर्सन्स इन न्यूज़। रिसेंटली हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड मेंबर ऑफ पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमेटी, संतोष कुमार। रिसेंटली विच इंडियन mountaineer has entered Limca Book of Records, Satyarup Siddhanta. R. Gandhi and Anant Gopalkrishna were appointed as additional director of the which private sector bank? Yes Bank. Veteran director Meenakshi Sidhuram Shishu Sundaram Ramasyami Vishwantan passed away recently. He was related to which state? Tamil Nadu. Next, Iqbal Singh Bans was appointed Chief Secretary of which state recently? Madhya Pradesh. Recently, who has been appointed as a Chief Executive Officer of the Walmart India? Sameer Agrawal. Former India footballer Abdul Latif has passed away recently. He worked as a key member of the trophy winning team in which year? At Asian Game 1970. Next, Padma Vibhushan Award winning artist, architect, sculptor and writer Satish Gujral passed away. He was awarded by Padma Vibhushan in which year? 1999. Veteran photographer Nimai Ghosh has passed away recently. He was awarded by which civilian award? Padma Shri. Hu Sung Song was appointed as the president of which of the company recently? Kia Motors. Recently, folk singer and actress Pravai Muniyama has passed away. She was related to which state? Tamil Nadu. Recently, who has appointed as the CEO and MD of the Bharti Infratel? DS Rawat. Next, what is the name of the CEO and MD of the Paytm Money who has resigned from the position recently? Praveen Jadhav. Recently, Nirmala Singh Khalsa has passed away from the coronavirus. He had received the Padma Shri for his contribution which field? Music. Next section, award news. Grigory Margulis was selected for Abel Prize. Abel Prize is given in which field? Mathematics. Georgie Morgels, who has won the IIFTC Tourism Impact Award 2020 for the outstanding contribution to the world film tourism? Zoya Akhtar. Who is the winner of the 2020 PEN Hemingway Award for the debut novel A Prayer for Travelers? Ruchika Tomar. Next, recently who has won the Hindu Prize 2019 in non-fiction? Shantanu Das. Recently, who has won the Best Director Award at Critics' Choice Film Awards? Zoya Akhtar. Next, recently, which film has won the Best Film Award at Critics' Choice Film Awards? Gully Boy. Recently, who has won the Best Actress Award at Critics' Choice Film Award? Geetika Vidya Ulyan. Who has won the Best Actor Award Critics' Choice Film Awards? Ranbir Singh. Next section, scheme and launches. Recently, which union minister has launched Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana to fight against COVID-19 and its effects? Nirmala Sitharaman. Recently, which state government has launched a mobile app, Corona Watch, aimed to track the movement history to persons test positive? Karnataka. Recently, which state UT government has announced 5T plan to tackle the spread of coronavirus in the union territory, which include the testing, tracing, teamwork, treatment and tracking? Delhi. Krishi Vigyan Kendra operating under Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute has launched a door delivery scheme in which state? Recently, Kerala. Next, recently, which state has topped in micro irrigation coverage under the PM KCY for FY 2019 to 20 Tamil Nadu. Next, how much fund was announced by Finance Minister under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana for the poor to help them fight the battle against coronavirus? 1.70 lakh crore. Recently, which state government has announced a 50 lakh insurance cover for all those engaged in the treatment of coronavirus infected persons? Madhya Pradesh. Government's Plan India Agriculture Trading Portal e-Naam has completed how many years of implementation on April 14, 2024? Next, recently which state government has launched Annapurna Supply Mitra portal for citizen food needs? Uttar Pradesh. What is the name of the new virus that has appeared in the China amid COVID-19 outbreak recently? Hanta virus. Which IIT has launched project ISAC to engage students in the creative project during the COVID-19 lockdown? IIT Gandhinagar. Next news from section of national and state news. Recently, which state government has announced to donate 1 month free food grain to poor? Uttar Pradesh. Recently, who has released a book entitled Messi Modi, A Great Tale of Expectations? Talveen Singh. Recently, the central government has launched My Government Corona Help Desk. It is available on the which social media platform? WhatsApp. Which state police has become first in India to introduce teaser gun recently? Teaser, Gujarat. Recently, who has launched a book titled Missing in Action, The Prisoner Who Never Came Back? Chandra Sutha Dogra. Next, recently which state government has launched MO Jeevan program to the containment of the COVID-19 pandemic? Odisha. Which state government has launched 104 helpline number of COVID-19 recently? Assam. Recently, which organization has launched a tracker of police government are tracking in response to COVID-19 policies governments are tracking in response to COVID-19? International Monetary Fund. Next, recently who has appointed as the Chief Secretary of the Jharkhand? Sukhdev Singh. Next, which state government has announced that it is to set up to COVID-19 dedicated hospital under the PPP public-private partnership model? Odisha. Recently, which state has become the first Indian state to launch assessment tool for COVID-19? Goa. Which state government has launched food helpline number 15155214? Karnataka. Recently, which union minister has launched the 24/7 National Teleconsultation Center to answer COVID-19 related queries? Dr. Harshvardhan. Recently, which state government has launched Pragyam app to issue e-pass to everyone associated with the delivery of essential service and aimed lockdown? Jharkhand. Next, recently which state government has set up mobile hand wash facility for the benefit to slum dwellers amidst lockdown in the state? Andhra Pradesh. Recently, which IIT has developed a drone to sanitize large areas such as roads, park and footpaths? IIT Guwahati. Recently, Modi Kitchen has been set up in the which the city? Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Next, Odisha celebrate Utkal Divas on 1st April. Who is the President Governor of Odisha? Ganeshi Lal. Recently, who has become the first judge to take oath under the Indian Constitution? Jammu and Kashmir High Court Judge Ranjesh Oswal. National Cadet Corps has offered its volunteer cadets for national duty to fight COVID-19 under the exercise NCC Yogdan. Where is the headquarters of the National Cadet Corps? New Delhi. Recently, which state government has started distributing pension at the doorstep to the beneficiaries? Andhra Pradesh. Recently, which state government has launched online self-assessment tool to better identify assess COVID-19 patients? Maharashtra. Next, recently which union minister released national corona survey conducted in 410 districts of country? Jitendra Singh. Recently, which of the Indian Railway rail coach factory has developed a low-cost ventilator prototype named Jeevan? Kapurthala, Punjab. Next section, international news. Recently, which country has a first co-chair to India lead coalition for the disaster resilient infrastructure? UK. Recently, which Indian celebrity has worked jointly with the World Health Organization to spread Recently, which Indian celebrity has worked jointly with the World Health Organization to spread awareness over the COVID-19? Priyanka Chopra. What is the name biennial exercise of USA Marine and UAE Emirati forces which has was conducted at Abu Dhabi recently? Native Fury. Recently, Global Humanitarian Response Plan was launched by which organization to the fight against COVID-19? United Nations. Recently, which country has become the 30th member of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization? NATO? North Macedonia. Recently, which organization has announced that the world has clearly entered a recession due to the coronavirus pandemic? IMF. Princess Maria Teresa has become the first royal to pass away due to the COVID-19. She was related to which nation? Spain. Recently, how much amount was granted by ADB to Awas Financiers to improve the women's access to housing in India? $16 million. Nobel Prize winner Philip Warren Anderson has passed away recently. He received the Nobel Prize in which field? Physics. What is the name of the NATO chief who has announced the appointment of a group of experts on 31st March 2020? Jens Stoltenberg. Next, recently who was appointed as a PokerStars India brand ambassador? Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Recently, which bank has listed green bonds of $100 million on BSE's India's International Exchange? State Bank of India (SBI). Recently, the Asian Development Bank has released its annual economic publication Asian Development Outlook 2020. Who is the president of the Asian Development Bank? Mastugu Aswaka. Three-time Grammy Award winner Bill Withers has passed away recently. Grammy Award is given in which field? Music. What is the name of world renowned virologist who has become the first Indian origin South African to have died after the contracting the novel coronavirus? Geeta Ramji. Next, financial awareness. How much fund was announced by the world largest streaming media services Netflix NFLXO.O, the formation of fund for film and TV workers? $100 million. India has ranked 120th in Economic Freedom Index 2020. Which country has topped Singapore? Next, Reliance Industry Limited has set up India's first COVID-19 dedicated hospital in which city? Mumbai. Recently, which bank has launched an additional liquidity facility COVID-19 emergency credit line? State Bank of India. Recently, Karur Visaya Bank has launched India's first prepaid card Ikanshu May Cash in Tamil. Who is the chairman of the Karur Visaya Bank? Mr. N.S. Srinath. Recently, Sumant Katpalia has taken charge as CEO and MD of which bank? Indus Bank. Indus Bank. Moody's Investors Services has slashed its estimate of India's GDP growth during 2020 is 2.5%. Recently, Reserve Bank of India has changed its policy rate. What is the current repo rate? 4.40%. Recently, which deputy governor was reappointed for the 1 year? BP Konugo. Recently, how much amount was announced by Asian Development Bank to invest the National Investment and Infrastructure Fund? 100 million USA dollar. Recently, which bank has rolled out in the banking services on WhatsApp? ICICI Bank. What is the India's GDP growth has been slashed by Fitch for FY21? 4.6%. Recently, which is the public sector banks have announced a moratorium of how many months for loan payments? 3 months. Fitch Rating has cut its GDP growth forecast for India for FY 2021 2%. Recently, who has been appointed as the new chairman of the National Association of Software and Services Companies NASOCAM for the year 2021? UB Praveen Rao. Recently, which payment bank has partnered with the Bharti AXA General Insurance to launch a COVID-19 insurance policy? Airtel Payments Bank. Next, recently SIDBI has offered how much amount has a emergency working capital to micro, small and medium enterprises manufacturing essential items, rupees 1 crore. Recently, How has been appointed as a managing director and chief executive officer of Bharti AXA Life Insurance, Praga Raja. Prague Raja. Next है section start from sports news. All-rounder Andrew Ellis has announced his retirement from all form of the cricketer. He related to which country? New Zealand. PK Banerjee has passed away recently. He was what footballer? Which of the Indian footballer has a chosen for FIFA companion against COVID-19? Sunil Chatterjee. Footballer Abdul Qadir Muhammad Farah died due to the coronavirus. He was related to which country? Somalia. The integrity unit of the global athletic body has suspended which Indian shoot putter for 4 years for failing an out of 6 competition dop test in 2020 recently? Naveen Chitkara. Next, recently who was appointed as a Secretary General of Football Federation of Iran? Mohammad Nabi. Tony Lewis, one of the men behind the Duckworth-Lewis Stern method, has passed away recently. This method was approved by the ICC in which year? 1999. Former Test spinner Stephen O'Keefe has retired from first-class cricketer after being omitted from the New South Wales list. He is related to which country? Australia. Now section start from science and technology. Recently in which city of the 4th conference of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana was held? Udaipur. Atal Kisan Mazdoor Canteen will be opened in the which state? Haryana. Who has launched Suposhit Ma Abhiyan, which aims to provide nutritional support to the pregnant women and adolescent girls? Om Birla. Next, Microsoft announced a partnership with which bank to train differently able people to find jobs in the banking, financial service and insurance sector? SBI. Next, Student Health Card Scheme for the school children has been launched in which UT recently? Jammu and Kashmir. Deen Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Urban Livelihood Mission has signed MOU with which e-commerce company to e-market product made by the self-help group in India, Amazon. Recently, Jagnan Vishti Diwana scheme has been launched by which state? Andhra Pradesh. Recently, which state government has introduced two schemes, CMAST and the CMAT, to benefit the sport person and artists in the state? Manipur. Recently, which state found a new species of lizards, urban bent toad gecko? Guwahati, Assam. Which mobile app was launched Government of India for the doorstep diesel delivery? Fuel Humsafar. Next, miscellaneous news. Every year World Water Day is celebrated on the March 22. What is their theme of the World Water Day 2020? Water and climate change. Every year World Meteorological Day is celebrated by World Meteorological Organization is 23rd March. Theme of the World Tuberculosis Day 2020 is its time. It is celebrate every year on 24th March. Theme of the International Day of Remembrance of the Victim of Slavery and Transatlantic Slave Trade 2020 is Confronting Slavery Legacy of the Racism Together. It is celebrated every year on the which state? 25th March. Next, every year World Threat Day is celebrated by the International Threat Institute on 27th March. Recently, the book titled The Death of the Jesus was released. Who is the author of this book? J.M. Coetzee. The theme of the World Autism Awareness Day 2020 is Transition of Adulthood. Is it celebrated every year on which date? 2nd April. International Day of the Mine Awareness is celebrated every year on 4th April. The theme of the World Hemophilia Day 2020 is Get Positive Involved plus Involved. It is observed every year in the which date? 17th April. Next, World Heritage Day is celebrated every year on the which date? 80th April. नेक्स्ट डेजिग्नेशन हु इज़ हु, ये जो लिस्ट है ये आपकी जुलाई तक अपडेटेड है. नेक्स्ट बात करते हैं. फर्स्ट, चेयरमैन ऑफ राज्यसभा वेंकैया नायडू. लोकसभा स्पीकर ओम बिरला. चेयरमैन ऑफ नीति आयोग नरेंद्र दास मोदी. लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन राज्यसभा गुलाम नबी आज़ाद. लीडर ऑफ हाउस इन लोकसभा नरेंद्र दास मोदी. लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन इन लोकसभा नन. चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर सुनील अरोरा. इलेक्शन कमिश्नर अशोक लवासा सुशील चंद्र, डायरेक्टर ऑफ जनरल IDPP SS देशवाल, चीफ विजिलेंस कमिश्नर संजय कोठारी, फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी हर्ष वर्धन श्रृंगला, कंट्रोलर एंड ऑडिटर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया कैग राजीव मिश्री, डायरेक्टर ऑफ विक्रम साराभाई स्पेस सेंटर S सोमनाथ, चेयरमैन ऑफ टेलीकॉम रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया RS शर्मा, CBI डायरेक्टर ऋषि कुमार शुक्ला। नेक्स्ट, चेयरमैन नेशनल कमीशन फॉर शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स नंद कुमार शाही, चेयरपर्सन नेशनल कमीशन फॉर माइनॉरिटीज़ सैयद गयासुराई हसन रजवी, चेयरमैन ऑफ UPSC अरविंद सक्सेना, डायरेक्टर जनरल नेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी YC मोदी, चेयरमैन ऑफ स्पेस कमीशन एंड इसरो K Sivan, चेयरमैन ऑफ एटॉमिक एनर्जी कमीशन एंड सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एटॉमिक एनर्जी KN व्यास, चेयरमैन ऑफ SSC ब्रजराज शर्मा, चेयरमैन ऑफ नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन जस्टिस AL दत्त, रजिस्ट्रार जनरल एंड सेंसस कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया विवेक जोशी, चेयरमैन ऑफ सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस प्रमोद चंद्र मूडी, चेयरमैन ऑफ इंश्योरेंस ऑफ रेगुलेटरी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया सुभाष चंद्र कुंतिया, चेयरमैन ऑफ सिक्योरिटी एंड एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया अजय त्यागी, चेयरपर्सन ऑफ स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया रजनीश कुमार, इंडियाज परमानेंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ UNO TS त्रिमूर्ति, ये एक नई अपॉइंटमेंट हुई है, इंडियाज परमानेंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव इन UNO TS त्रिमूर्ति, पहले थे अकबुद्दीन थे, अब TS त्रिमूर्ति उनकी जगह आए हैं। होम सेक्रेटरी अजय कुमार भल्ला, चेयरपर्सन ऑफ नेशनल कमीशन फॉर वुमेन रेखा शर्मा, चेयरमैन ऑफ 5th फाइनेंस कमीशन NK सिंह, चेयरमैन कंपटीशन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया अशोक कुमार गुप्ता, चेयरपर्सन सेंट्रल बोर्ड ऑफ फिल्म सर्टिफिकेशन प्रसून जोशी, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ एसोकैम निरंजन हृदयनानी, चेयरपर्सन ऑफ नेसोकैम UB प्रवीण राव, चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ जनरल विपिन रावत, चीफ ऑफ एयर स्टाफ राकेश कुमार सिंह भदौरिया, चीफ ऑफ नेवल स्टाफ एडमिरल करमवीर सिंह, चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ जनरल मनोज मुकुंद नरवणे, चीफ ऑफ रॉ सामंत गोयल, डायरेक्टर भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर AK मोंटी मोहंती, नेशनल कमीशन फॉर शेड्यूल कास्टिस रामशंकर कटारिया, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ फिक्की संदीप सोमने, चेयरमैन ऑफ 21st लॉ कमीशन डॉक्टर जस्टिस BS चौहान, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी ऑफ एडवाइजर अजीत डोवल, चेयरपर्सन ऑफ प्रसार भारती डॉक्टर A सूर्य प्रकाश, DG ऑफ नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी विनीत जोशी, फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी अजय भूषण पांडे, चेयरमैन ऑफ इंडियन बैंक एसोसिएशन रजनीश कुमार। नाउ abbreviations RAW research and analysis wing, CCKW convection coupled Kelvin wave, UNIDO United Nations Industrial Development Organization, ARDS acute respiratory distress syndromes, ARI acute respiratory infection, PPE personal protective equipment PPE, SANS social awareness and action in neutralize pneumonia successfully. Now important day and dates: July 1st Doctor Day, July 6th World Zoonosis Days, July 11th World Population Day, July 18th International Nelson Mandela Day, July 26th Kargil Vijay Divas, July 28th World Hepatitis Day और July 29 इंटरनेशनल टाइगर डे। तो थैंक यू सो मच। आज हमने जुलाई मंथ का भी जो करंट जीके था वो कवर अप किया। तो आप इस 6 मंथ के जीके को बार बार रिवाइज करें और इसी से आपके TGT का जो जीके करंट जीके का जो कंटेंट है वो ऑलमोस्ट कवर हो जाएगा। राइट, थैंक यू सो मच।